This is Matt. This will be a video on how to add a watermark in Google Docs. So I'm right here in Google Docs in an untitled document. I have some placeholder text here, just random text I found online, just for the purposes of this video. What we will do to add a watermark, come down to the bottom, I've got this nice space right here. Now to add the watermark, we'll come up to the top to the toolbar, we'll click on Insert. Now what you will notice straight away is there's no obvious place for watermark. Watermark actually used to be listed here in these options. It's now been changed, which is one of the reasons for making this video actually. What we will do to find a watermark though, we can come down to the bottom to page elements where it says updated. Now we come across and we can in fact see watermark about halfway down. So we click on watermark. Now we get this watermark window opens in the far right corner right here. So what we will do now is we will click to select the image. I don't know why that doesn't open straight away, but you have to do that extra click. So we are now here on the Insert Watermark main window. So we can actually add an image or a picture directly from our computer, which is what I'll show you right here with Browse in just a moment. But you can also add from a webcam if you want to do that, from a link directly online. You can add from photos, from Google Drive, or from Google Images itself. So we will click on Browse, and what this will do is this will open up my desktop. I have a pre-prepared image right here, a nice image of a mountainscape, and I'll click on Open. So that will open up the image. It will immediately be inserted, and you can see that it is in this watermark kind of, slightly faded look right here. So what we can do is we can click here and we can scale it in different ways. So, we can have it bigger, like a 200% scale. We can do the 150. There's also a 500 if we want this to be, covering most of our pre-existing text. But we could go with a small one there, or just the 100% is fine, depending on what you want to do. You can add text to that if you want. You can also, there are some more adjustments that we can do here. We can change the opacity, the brightness as well. And the contrast, you can take the contrast up and down. You can recolor, you can reposition, you can size and rotate that watermark exactly how you want it at any time. You can click, you can highlight it and click edit, and that will bring up this panel again. That was how to add a watermark in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.